Number 1. 1981 Vespa 100 Sport, $4,000, Centerport, New York. The 1981 Vespa 100 Sport represents the timeless appeal of classic Italian scooters, combining lightweight handling, simple mechanics, and unmistakable styling. Vintage Vespas remain popular worldwide thanks to their practicality and strong enthusiast following. Well-preserved examples continue to attract collectors and riders looking for authentic vintage scooter experiences. This example retains its original paint, bodywork, and mileage while showing no rust or corrosion. Recent maintenance includes a cleaned carburetor, fresh gearbox oil, and cable adjustments to factory specifications. With a clean title and strong running condition, this Vespa appears ready for regular enjoyment. Number 2. 1968 Vespa Sprint 150, $6,500, Morgantown, West Virginia. The 1968 Vespa Sprint 150 is one of the most iconic scooters ever produced, admired for its elegant Italian styling and dependable two-stroke performance. Sprint models became favorites among urban riders and collectors alike, earning a lasting place in Vespa history. Original examples remain highly desirable in today's vintage scooter market. This scooter is described as a barn-fresh survivor with only minimal changes from original condition. The seller reports that it runs and rides great while retaining much of its factory character. For enthusiasts seeking an authentic vintage Vespa, this Sprint offers strong collector appeal. Number 3. 1979 Vespa P200, $4,500, Holly Springs, North Carolina. The 1979 Vespa P200 remains one of the most respected large-frame Vespas ever built, known for its durability, comfort, and strong road performance. Its larger engine made it especially popular among riders looking for a scooter capable of longer journeys. Today, the P200 continues to enjoy a loyal following among vintage Vespa enthusiasts. This example is described as running excellently and comes with a clean title. Recent updates include new tires, replacement cables, and a rebuilt carburetor. For buyers seeking a classic Vespa that is ready to ride, this P200 appears to be a solid choice. Number 4. 1978 Piaggio Vespa 125, $3,850, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The 1978 Piaggio Vespa 125 captures the charm that made Vespa one of the world's most recognizable scooter brands. Lightweight, economical, and easy to ride, these scooters became symbols of urban transportation across Europe and beyond. Their simple design and enduring style continue to attract vintage scooter enthusiasts today. This example shows approximately 7,800 miles and is described as being in strong mechanical condition. The seller notes that it runs, drives, and functions as it should, while retaining its original patina. For riders who appreciate originality, this Vespa offers plenty of vintage character.
Number 5. Custom Hand-Painted Vespa Collection, $7,500, Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Few scooters attract attention like custom-painted vintage Vespas, especially when paired with unique artwork and classic Italian engineering. These hand-painted machines combine the timeless appeal of vintage Vespa design with bold artistic expression, creating truly one-of-a-kind collectibles. Unique custom builds often stand out wherever they appear. This offering includes a refurbished 1970 Vespa Sprint 150 and a Vespa Super 150, both finished in vibrant Pakistani truck art style. The seller describes both scooters as fully restored and hand-painted examples. For collectors seeking something distinctive and uncommon, this Vespa package offers a memorable opportunity. Number 6. 1968 Vespa Sprint Copper Scooter, $3,350, Columbia Station, Ohio. The 1968 Vespa Sprint remains one of the most recognizable scooters ever produced, combining classic Italian styling with simple and dependable engineering. Sprint models became popular around the world thanks to their lightweight design and timeless appearance. Today, original examples continue to attract collectors and vintage scooter enthusiasts alike. This copper-colored example features tan seats, white wall tires, and a matching spare tire cover that add to its period charm. The odometer shows just over 10,000 kilometers, and the scooter includes its original manual. As a barn find project with no keys, it offers an interesting opportunity for restoration. Number 7. 1979 Piaggio Vespa P200e, $5,700, Auburn Hills, Michigan. The 1979 Vespa P200e is one of the most respected models in Vespa history, known for its larger engine, durable construction, and everyday practicality. As part of the famous P-Series lineup, it became a favorite among riders seeking both classic style and reliable transportation. Well-kept examples remain highly sought after today. Powered by a 198cc two-stroke engine and 4-speed manual transmission, this scooter delivers the traditional Vespa riding experience. The seller notes that it is registered and plated, making it ready for the road. For enthusiasts seeking a classic Italian scooter, this P200e offers strong appeal. Number 8. 1980 Vespa PX200e, $3,450, West Newfield, Maine. The 1980 Vespa PX200e helped continue the success of Vespa's legendary large-frame scooters by combining practical performance with unmistakable Italian design. PX series scooters remain popular because of their durability, ease of maintenance, and strong enthusiast support. They continue to serve as excellent vintage daily riders. This example is described as running well and shifting smoothly through all gears. Recent updates include new Michelin tires, upgraded suspension, and fresh servicing. With its Massachusetts title and rider-focused improvements, this PX200e appears ready for regular use. Number 9. 1963 Lambretta LI 125, $4,800, Mountainside, New Jersey. The 1963 Lambretta LI 125 represents one of Vespa's greatest rivals during the golden age of Italian scooters. Known for its sleek styling and enjoyable riding manners, the LI 125 became a favorite among urban commuters and scooter enthusiasts worldwide. Today, Lambrettas remain highly collectible and continue to enjoy a dedicated following. This example is described as running and riding well while carrying a clean title. Its straightforward condition and usability make it an appealing choice for riders seeking a vintage Italian scooter. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, this Lambretta offers plenty of classic charm. Number 10. 1974 Vespa 150, $4,900, Reading, Pennsylvania. The 1974 Vespa 150 captures the timeless character that made Vespa a global icon. Lightweight, economical, and easy to ride, these scooters became a symbol of practical transportation and Italian style. Their popularity continues today among riders who appreciate vintage two-wheelers with personality. This example has received numerous upgrades, including engine, suspension, braking, and carburation improvements, while the original parts are included for those preferring a stock configuration. The seller notes that it starts easily and has been used on long-distance rides. For buyers seeking a well-sorted vintage Vespa, this scooter appears ready for many more miles. Number 11. 1980 Vespa PX200E, $3,200, Chagrin Falls, Ohio. The 1980 Vespa PX200E is one of the most popular large-frame Vespas ever produced, known for its durability, practicality, and classic Italian styling. PX models remain favorites among vintage scooter enthusiasts thanks to their simple design and strong aftermarket support. Well-maintained examples continue to offer an enjoyable riding experience decades later. This scooter features a performance-oriented Malossi 221cc engine setup while retaining its original appearance. The seller notes that it is easy to ride, capable of highway speeds, and comes with a clear title. For riders seeking a classic Vespa with added performance, this PX200E stands out from the crowd. Number 12. 1959 Vespa Allstate, $3,500, Northford, Connecticut. The 1959 Vespa Allstate represents an interesting chapter in American scooter history, as these Italian-built machines were sold through Sears stores across the United States. Their distinctive styling and historical significance have made them increasingly collectible among vintage scooter enthusiasts. Original examples remain highly desirable restoration candidates today. This scooter runs, drives, and shifts as it should, while benefiting from working lights, brakes, and new tires. The seller also includes numerous spare parts, a spare tire, and period documentation. For collectors seeking a rewarding restoration project, this Allstate offers plenty of potential. Number 13. 1980 Bajaj Chetak 150, $2,800, East Greenwich, Rhode Island. The 1980 Bajaj Chetak traces its roots to classic Vespa engineering and became one of the most recognizable scooters produced in India. Known for their durability and simple mechanical design, Chetaks earned a reputation as dependable transportation for generations of riders. Today, they provide an affordable entry into vintage scooter ownership. This largely original example has been owned by the seller for nearly 2 decades. The scooter is described as complete, equipped with good tires, and offering plenty of vintage character. For buyers seeking something different from the usual Italian classics, this Bajaj presents an interesting option. Number 14. 1969 Vespa Sprint 150, $5,000, Blue Hill, Maine. The 1969 Vespa Sprint 150 remains one of the most beloved scooters in Vespa history, combining elegant styling with dependable 2-stroke performance. Sprint models have long been appreciated for their balance of practicality and classic Italian design. Their popularity continues to make them standout collectibles today. This example benefits from an older restoration and is described as running and driving properly. The scooter features both electric and kickstart systems, adding convenience while maintaining vintage charm. For enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-enjoy Sprint, this Vespa appears to be a strong candidate. Number 15. 1964 Lambretta Cento, $1,750, Holliston, Massachusetts. The 1964 Lambretta Cento is a compact Italian scooter that reflects the golden era of European 2-wheel transportation. Lightweight and stylish, Lambrettas became popular around the world and remain favorites among collectors today. Barn find examples often attract enthusiasts looking for unique restoration projects. This low-mileage scooter spent decades in storage before recently being brought back to running condition. The seller notes that it drives around the yard but will require additional restoration work, including fuel tank attention. For buyers seeking an affordable vintage project, this Cento offers plenty of potential. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more classic scooter and motorcycle finds from across the United States.